Feeling stuck in your creative journey? AI isn't replacing you, it's empowering you. Hey creatives, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to remind all graphic designers out there that your skills, your ideas, and your unique perspectives are irreplaceable no matter how advanced AI becomes. If you have been feeling like AI might make your crafts obsolete, stick around because I've got 5 solid reasons why you should keep creating, keep learning, and keep crushing it as a designer. It's easy to feel discouraged when AI tools seem to churn out designs in seconds. Some people might even think, why bother mastering Photoshop or Illustrator when AI can do it for me? But let me tell you, you are more than just a designer. You are an artist, a storyteller, and a creator. And AI is just a tool, an amazing tool, but it does not replace the mind behind the designs. So here is a reason why you should keep creating, keep learning, and keep crushing it in your design journey. Reason number 1, leverage AI as a co-creator. AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E can help generate ideas, speed up repetitive tasks, or even fill in the blanks when you are stuck creatively. But the real magic happens when you step in and elevate those raw AI outputs. Use AI to save time, but let your creativity take the spotlight. Reason number 2, conceptual skills matter mostly. Your ability to brainstorm, interpret beliefs, and create designs that resonate with people will always be priceless. AI might create visual elements, but it can't connect a human level the way you can. Focus on storytelling and blending. These are skills no AI can replicate. Reason number 3, hybrid workflow are the future. Master hybrid workflows. AI might be great at sketching out ideas, but pairing AI with tools like Photoshop or Illustrator can take your designs to the next level. Learn how to integrate AI generated assets into your project seamlessly. You will stand out as someone who uses technology and creativity to deliver jaw-dropping results. Reason number 4, design ethics and strategy. Dive deep into design ethics and strategy. When it comes to cultural sensitivity, audience research, or ethical branding, AI lacks the context and empathy you bring to the table. Your skills in creating thoughtful, impactful designs will always set you apart. Reason number 5, stay adaptable and keep learning. Finally, number 5, stay adaptable. Keep upgrading your skills, whether it's mastering Illustrator techniques or exploring new AI-powered tool. The design world is constantly evolving, and the most successful creatives are those who evolve with it. You have got this. So here is the truth. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. Keep creating, keep experimenting, keep pushing your limits. If you love these tips, hit that like button, subscribe for more creative content, and comment below to tell me which one you're trying out first. Together, let us redefine the future of design.